Today we're in Hamilton, New Jersey. Here in Hamilton lies a most enchanting place, Grounds for Sculpture. Grounds for Sculpture, one of the most magical things about it is how the landscape design and the horticulture are designed to enhance the sculpture here, where nature and art come together in the most beautiful way. Today we're going to meet with Lauren Collalto. She's going to tell us more about it and give us a tour of this beautiful campus. It is taller than me. Everything's taller than me. What can we look forward to today?
So you can look forward to seeing our art-filled grounds. There are over 42 acres. You also have an opportunity to check out the slow motion exhibition. At the end, our fine dining restaurant on property, Rat's Restaurant.
It's gorgeous. I can't wait to get started. This is amazing. So I imagine that when you're picking sculpture to be placed in a certain spot, you take that into consideration.
We absolutely do. We really look at the interplay between the art and the grounds. So the goal is for the artwork to have a conversation with the landscape surrounding it.
You use nature to enhance the art experience
Absolutely.
as well.
So we have a variety of different programs. Every month we have a drop-in family program on the first Saturday of the month, art making classes for tots, ages 3 to 5. And then we have a number of wellness programs, which are just amazing. So we have Tai Chi, yoga, and one of the coolest things about that is they're actually held outdoors.
All these little nestled spots along the park, it's just fantastic. I mean, you could spend days here.
You absolutely could. In fact, most visitors do come for at least 2 hours, we find.
It's just enchanting. I just love it here. So here we are at Rat's. This is beautiful. I understand that Rat's was chosen as the most beautiful restaurant in New Jersey by People magazine. Is that right?
That is correct.
I can see why. It's gorgeous here.
Rat's features seasonal menu.
Okay.
It's French country inspired cuisine. It has beautiful indoors and then it also has outdoor seating. It has a beautiful view of sculptures and different flora, as well as a pond in the park.
Oh my gosh, let's go get a closer look. Lauren, this is stunning. What amazing, beautiful views, this bridge right outside the dining. What does Grounds for Sculpture have coming up?
We're open year-round, so it's beautiful to come in all different seasons to see the changes in the park. We also are having a holiday market Thanksgiving weekend.
It's beautiful. All 4 seasons, you're going to get a different experience.
Exactly.
And a holiday market at Thanksgiving, it's perfect. I wanted to check out one of the indoor galleries, and here we are in the Domestic Arts building. This exhibition is slow motion, and the sculptures we're looking at are the artist's answer to the question of how do we remake our relationship with monuments. Continuing with the exhibition Slow Motion, there are 2 outdoor sculptures. This one here is from Ana Teresa Fernandez. The discs of the sculpture play with the sunlight, and when the wind blows, they move and make a sound. It's just an example of how this sculpture is integrated with nature. And the peacocks like it too. Whether you are an art enthusiast or just looking for a beautiful day out, I hope our tour of Grounds for Sculpture has inspired you to come visit and experience the magic for yourself. A special thanks to Lauren Collalto, all the staff and volunteers here at Grounds for Sculpture. Until next time, Colleen O'Hara, your host of The American Dream.